white shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Justice Marie. If you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are not new, welcome back. So today, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys another quick weave video, but this time I'm going to show you guys how I got this middle part. This will be on my Instagram as well as my TikTok, so if you guys are interested on my outfit and you know how I put everything together, just go to my social medias. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to get into this video so I can show you how I got this bust down middle part quick weave. Y'all, it's really giving. My hair is split, the makeup is beat. Don't play, but yeah, y'all, let's get into this video.
Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. I'm the bad guy. Duh. I'm the bad guy. So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so buff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend that type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. Duh. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so buff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend that type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. I'm only good at being bad. I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're the man, I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're the man, I think therefore I am. Stop. What the hell are you talking about? Get my pretty name out of your mouth. We are not the same with or without. Don't talk about me like how you might know how I feel. Top of the world, but your world isn't real. It wasn't ideal.
Fine, I really couldn't care less, and you can give them my best, but just
I'm not your friend. I'm not your friend or anything. You think that you're the man, I think before I am. I stay. Oh, I hope someday